Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because I've got something that's about to make your inner gearhead's heart skip a beat. We're talking about the Tomcat, a bolt-on kit that transforms any Zero S-Line motorcycle into a mind-bending, three-wheeled beast that handles like a dream. And no, this isn't a science fiction movie. This is real, folks. Imagine riding with a silent engine while feeling like you're in the middle of an action movie, zipping around corners so fast you might just break the sound barrier. No guarantees, though. Before I get carried away, who wouldn't with a Tomcat? Don't forget to subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel. You won't want to miss out on the latest, the greatest, and the downright craziest innovations in transportation. Hit that subscribe button and get ready to be amazed. Now, let's talk specifications, shall we? The Tomcat comes with the powertrain from the Zero S-Line motorcycle, delivering an insane 169 feet-pounds, 229 newtons of torque. That means when you twist that throttle, you're in for a thrill ride. And get this, it's lightweight, tipping the scales at just 800 pounds, 362 kilograms, sure. That's not just light, that's slightly heavier than your average couch light, but way faster. With a city range of up to 176 miles, 283 kilometers, and virtually zero maintenance. Yes, you heard me right, zero. This trike could easily become your daily driver. Gone are the days of stopping at the mechanic every other weekend. This bad boy is designed with performance, adjustability, and sustainability in mind. And let's talk design. It's more than just a pretty face. The recumbent seating ensures that comfort doesn't take a back seat to performance. The track-worthy handling? I'm telling you, the Tomcat feels like an extension of your body. It responds to every little turn, brake, and throttle like it knows you better than your own dog. But don't just take my word for it. Book a test drive if you're ready to experience mind-melting steering and acceleration for yourself. So, what's the price tag for all this fun? You can secure your very own Tomcat with a deposit of $1,500, which goes towards the total cost of $21,000, approximately 20,300 euros. Now I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of money. But trust me, you won't regret it when you're tearing up the streets and leaving everyone else in the dust. Remember, there's a link to the official Tomcat website in the video description below.